My recipe for today is a one-pan Mexican quinoa dish. It is absolutely delicious. It has very little prep work that is necessary. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 cup of quinoa, 1 cup of vegetable broth, 1 can of black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 can of fire-roasted diced tomatoes, 1 can of corn kernels, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin, a dash of salt, a little bit of a ground black pepper, 1 whole avocado, cut to half, peeled and diced, juice of 1 lime, 2 tablespoons chopped of fresh cilantro leaves. So we have everything we need for this dish. First we start with the 1 cup of quinoa. Then we're gonna have our black beans. Then we're gonna put our 1 can of corn kernels, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Just give it a little stir. It looks so pretty with all the colors. And now we're gonna add the diced fire roasted tomatoes so they can have a little bit of a spicy kick to it. So the diced tomatoes that I like actually have a little bit of a green chili in there to give a little bit more of a flavor to the dish. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of vegetable broth. Pour it all around nicely. A little bit of salt. A little bit of the black pepper. A little bit of cumin. And tiny bit of a chili powder. On top of all of that, I pour 1 juice from 1 lemon or lime. So now we'll cover the pan. It will take about 20 to 30 minutes until the quinoa is fully cooked and it's all ready. Delicious, quick, and absolutely filling. Lots of great proteins and very nutritious.